common maintenance on these Volvo engines, turbo non-turbo, is a cleaning of a throttle body inside the throttle body. So for this thing you need to undo the hose. The large hose has two clamps, so undo it there and there. This is non-turbo. It's so much easier to access the throttle body on a non-turbo. Turbo is much more complicated, and by the way, I think turbo has a different hose connection there. So non-turbo just undo the thing right there and there. Remove the big hose and look inside. Flip this flap, keep it one hand, and then get a piece of cloth and just clean everything around, clean around the hinges right there, both sides of the flap, clean right there at the bottom, everything with the cloth that doesn't make small pieces falling in there. Something wet is really not a big deal, but you need to do it maybe every year or so. The symptoms for this when it gets dirty is that when you come to a stop, you're braking to stop for a red light, let's say, and then you see the idle dropping a little bit and coming back. That's a dirty valve here in the throttle body.